Okay, hindi ko na kaya init.
Picture mo na ako. Dito na ako. Yun oh, lalaki ng hito. Pati tilapia. Pwede ba dito manghuli? Agoy, lamig ka ni siya iihaw oh. Hala, wow. Perting dako ah. Grabe. Na guys, tingnan nyo. Grabe, dagko kayo oh. Brother, why you didn't eat this? Why you didn't eat? It's eatable. You know it's eatable? Looking? No, this is eatable. This is tilapia and hito, African hito. Yeah, catfish in English. But in Philippines, it's hito. Yeah. Wow. Salad, no? You didn't eat? Why? It's yummy. Huh? My God. Ang lalaki ng hito. Lalaki ng hito oh. Gadget lang. Ganda niyo naman. Wow. Guys, yung hito dito, it's for seeing lang daw. Dili daw nila ginakaon. Para lang daw tanaw. Do. Sa tuwa pagkaon na ni. Wala na gutom. Di siya makasawa tanawon. Grabe to dako kayo oh. Nah. Ayun. Oh, pero oh. Nah. Ayun pa oh.